splash guards. It should be something like that. It should sit something like that. But as you can see, my car's dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean this up. Put the cars on jacks. Actually, take the wheels off too, so I got some space to work with. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, so I went ahead and took the wheels off, so I have more space to work here. But since now that we got the wheel off, perfect opportunity to go ahead and clean up the fender well in here. Mine's looking way dirty, way dirty. Man, where did this rain come from? I swear, every time I work on my car, it always starts to rain. But anyway, I'm gonna get this tidy up and I'll get back to you. Alright, so here you go. Cleaned up the fender well a little bit. Got it nice and shiny since I took the wheel off. Use these products. Chemical Guys, Invisible Nonsense, and some bare bones. Shout out, by the way, to Detail Garage Hawaii for having these products. They work pretty good. Like it. There you have it. Alright, so we got the hardware for the Aero splash guards. We'll install this bracket right here. It sits here. Like that. But first we have to put these speed clips. One here. Get that in there. And one on the bottom of this bracket. So you put it there. Then we take this pop clip and we put it on the bottom of this. I'll just line it up. Pop it in. Alright gang, so I got the first splash guard on, and I tell you, it looks very nice. I like the look. It makes your car look, or it's gonna make the car look lower. So I got this one on. I'll just repeat on the other side. Hey, what up guys again? And guess what? This is the next day. So I didn't get to finish everything. I still have to do this emblem there, but I went and I cleaned up the front part fender well of the car, made it nice and tidy. Also went ahead and cleaned these rims, which I have to recoat again with reload because it has ceramic coat on it. So that kind of took my time, or all of my time yesterday, so I couldn't finish up. So today we'll finish up. All right, since I'm on the topic of rims, I just wanted to let you know what I use to go ahead and seal that ceramic coating in. I use Reload, Carpro Reload, silica spray sealant, because I want to rejuvenate that ceramic coating that's on my rim right now. But yeah, this is what I use. It's pretty good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take out this silver emblem here and replace it with the black, or the gloss black one. So what you want to do is open the door, give it a crack, so you got more space to work with. And you go ahead, pick this up. Make sure you don't hold it on too long. Scoot it up. All right, so when you feel like the glue, or the the adhesive is like easy to take out, after you heated it up, make sure you do it carefully, otherwise you'll bend this emblem. Just keep pulling. And there you go, it comes out. If you're lucky, the adhesive is gonna be here, so you don't really have to clean it off here. But go ahead and tidy this up. Make it all neat. So now you want to go ahead and clean this with rubbing alcohol, so the adhesive can stick on it. There is 3M on here, so peel this off and then we'll put this badge right on. There you go, badge is on. Go ahead and do the other side and come back to you. All right, there's the other side. I don't pay attention to the dirt. I'm gonna wash this car later. So just pull the wheels back on and drop the car down. And I have one more thing to install. All right, so the last thing I have to do is install these LED bulbs into the turn signal here. Let's get that done. All right, always remember to check polarity because you might have to switch it up. So let's test it out. And we're good. It's bright. Holy crap, it's bright. All right, it's in there. All right, so off the bat, you can see how different it is when you install those LED bulbs. It's much brighter than the OE on the left-hand side. And it has that characteristic of that LED blink. All right, so both LED bulbs are in. And you can't tell from the video, but man, these bulbs are bright. You probably see me from a mile away. All right, so there was one more thing that I installed in the car. I don't know if you see it. I don't know if it catches your eye, but go ahead and comment below to see if you know what I'm talking about. Everyone, that about wraps up the video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Take care of each other. Peace out and aloha.